This tutorial explains how to configure essential settings in the PPM Service Contracts add-on to prepare it for your company use. After you have logged in for the first time, you can access the add-on settings from the left-hand menu. This is where you can review and adjust the main settings that control how PPM works for your business. From here, select your preferred date format, time zone, and currency. You can optionally select your default queue in ServiceMate to send service jobs generated by the PPM add-on. Here you can select what to be included within the generated service jobs description generated from PPM. You also have 3 options for the level of detail that is sent across: full details, summary, or list, all with examples if you hover over the tooltip. If you have a job with many assets, it might be worth considering the list or summary options. The ServiceMate API tab is used to manage your ServiceMate connection. If new features require additional permissions, you may be asked to re-authenticate from this page. If API access is enabled on your account, you can also create and manage your API keys here. The Notifications tab lets you control which email address receives notifications from PPM and what events you want to be notified about. This includes reminders for certificates that are due to expire, visits due in the next 30 days, contract expiry notifications, payment alerts, and customer portal file uploads. If you are using the Cert Tracker extension, you can also receive reminders for expiring company, staff, and supplier certification documents. In the Contracts section, you can set the default behavior for contract renewals. If you use ServiceMate for contract billing, PPM can create a billing job in ServiceMate when a contract is renewed. You can choose whether that billing job is created as a quote, a work order, or a completed job, depending on how you prefer to manage your invoicing. You can also set the default renewal window, which controls how many days before the renewal date a contract should appear as ready to renew. In the contract numbering section, you can control how PPM creates contract numbers. You can set a prefix to appear before each contract number, choose the next number to be used, and decide how many digits the number should contain. Contract numbers can also be edited manually from within the contract itself if needed. Contract templates are the PDF contract documents that can be sent to your customer for signing. This step is completely optional, but it can be useful if you want PPM to help generate formal contract paperwork as part of your workflow. You can choose from 3 different editors when creating a contract template. The Rich Text Editor is a simple option for building a basic template directly inside PPM. The Drag and Drop Block Editor gives you more control over the layout and structure of the document. You can also use the Word Document Editor, where you copy and paste merge fields into your own Word template to build the contract. The final output is a PDF contract document, which can be signed by you and sent to your customer for signing. You can also save your signature at the bottom of the page, so it is automatically included on any contract documents generated from PPM. The Email Templates section is where you can customize the emails that PPM sends to your customers. For example, if you send a contract document for signature, the email used for that request can be edited here. You can choose from the available templates, update the relevant fields, add or edit content blocks, and then save your changes as the new email template. The Email and Branding section is where you can configure your email reply address and branding within PPM. Your reply to address is important because emails sent from PPM are delivered through the Simpli-Fi cloud service. By adding your reply to email address here, customer replies will come back to the correct inbox for your business. This email address will be used when customers reply to any email sent from PPM. You can also test your email templates from this page to check how they will look before sending them to customers. Your standard branding can be configured here as well, including your brand color, company name, company tagline, logo, email signature, and email footer. The subscription section is where you can manage your PPM subscription. From here, you can update your payment method and download copies of your invoices. That covers the essential settings you need to get PPM set up and configured. We've looked at everything from date, time, and currency preferences, through to job details, contract management, email templates, branding, and your subscription. Take a moment to review your settings and make sure they match the way your business works. Once you're ready, you can start using PPM straight away, or explore the more advanced features to tailor it further to your workflow. Thank you for watching.